In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can update your barometric units on your Garmin Forerunner 955, but instead of doing it on the watch, we're going to do it in the Garmin Connect app, and we're going to simply sync those changes over to our watch. So this is very simple. It doesn't matter whether you're an Apple or an Android user. You're going to need to go to your Garmin Connect app. And then once you get into the app, if you look at the bottom right, there's a section that says More and has 3 dots. You'll simply click on that. Once you get into the More settings, you're going to scroll towards the bottom of the page until you see an option that says Garmin devices. When you click on that, it should show you a listing of all of your Garmin devices. In this video, we're going to be changing the Forerunner 955 Solar. That's the only one I have connected to my account. I'll simply click on it. It'll take me into the watch's settings, and now basically we're going to follow the same configuration we would have done if we were on the watch. So I'm going to scroll to the bottom, or near the bottom. I'm looking for System. I'll click on System, and then under System, I'm going to be looking for Format, choose Format, and then the first option under Format is going to be Units, and under Units, one of the options that you will have towards the bottom is Pressure. You can see mine's currently set to hectopascals. If I wanted to change that, I can go in and change it to inches of mercury, millimeters of mercury, millibars, or hectopascals. Change it to whatever value you want to, then you would simply just need to go back and sync the changes, and your barometric pressure changes will be written over to your watch, and you've successfully done the configuration on your Garmin Connect app without having to touch your watch at all. As always, I hope the video helps.